How to fix laptop battery not charging even when it's plugged in. Hello everybody, in this video we are going to teach you, so without any delay let's start. Open up a desktop and you need to open up your settings. So in order to open up your settings, you can directly hit Windows plus I and your settings opens up. Once you do that, you may just open it up, and from this section you can either look in system for troubleshoot. If you're on Windows 11, you can head over to System. But if you're on Windows 10, you can head over to Update and Security on your Windows 10. Once you open up your Update and Security, look for the option called Troubleshoot. This one right here, open it up. And from Troubleshoot, look for the option Additional Troubleshooters or Optional Troubleshooters. Just go ahead and open it up. And then once you do, you need to look off for battery in order to troubleshoot our battery. So here are different options available. You may look for the option called power or battery if possible. So in this device, I have power, so you can just go ahead and drop it down and run the troubleshooter. After running the troubleshooter, it will detect the issue and just try solving it on its own. So this is one of the method you can apply up if you're having that issue. So you can just go ahead and do that. Otherwise, you can open up your device manager. Once you open up a device manager, you can go ahead and update your driver. So for now, you can head over to batteries, drop it down, and we have two batteries available: Microsoft AC adapter and Microsoft ACPI compliant control method battery. So you need to update both of the drivers. So you may just go ahead and open it up and then head over to driver. After that, we have this update driver option. You can just go ahead and click on update and follow the on-screen prompts in order to update the driver. You can just follow the same process for both of the batteries available on your device, and then that's it. So follow up this method, and once also try restarting your device and you should be able to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.